Hello students, in this video again we are going to see important problem in the chapter cost sheet in the subject cost accounting. Prepare cost sheet from the following detail. Direct wages 15 lakh, power 25,000, it is factory overhead. Storekeeper wages, it is also factory overhead. Factory rent, factory overhead. Office rent, office overhead. Repairs, it is given under 2 factory plant, that is repairs on factory plant 1,75,000, this will come under the head factory overhead. Again repairs on office building 25,000, this will come under the office overhead. Goodwill written off, it is no way related to cost accounting, this should not come while preparing cost sheet. Consumable stores, it will come under the heading factory overhead. Director fees is come under office overhead. Telephone rent, it also come under the office overhead. Salesman salary is come under the selling overhead. Advertising is also come under the head selling overhead. Income tax, it is also not related to cost accounting, so this also should not come. Sales 94,75,000, this is used to calculate profit. Then direct material, this is used for calculating prime cost. Oil and water, factory overhead. Transfer to general reserve also should not appear while preparing cost sheet. Then foreman salary, factory overhead. Factory lighting, factory overhead. Office lighting, office overhead. Depreciation on factory plant, so come under the heading factory overhead. Depreciation on office building come under the office overhead. Manager salary come under the office overhead. Office stationery, office overhead. Postage is also come under the office overhead. Traveling expenses, selling overhead. Warehouse rent, selling overhead. Dividend paid, not relevant to cost sheet, cost accounting, so this also should be ignored. Remember that goodwill written off, income tax, transfer to general reserve, dividend paid, this 4 item is not relevant to cost accounting, so this should be ignored while preparing cost sheet. We go for solution for this problem. Preparation cost sheet. Particulars, draw 3 columns. First column is particulars, second column is amount, third column is also amount. One is inner column, the other one is a outer column. First we need to calculate prime cost, that is we need direct material is given 50 lakhs. Then we need direct wages is given 15 lakh. And direct expenses is not given in the question, so that should be ignored. When you add, getting 65 lakh, the 65 lakh is called as prime cost. From this add factory overhead. All the expenses related to factory should come under this heading. Power 25,000, write the amount in the inner column. Then storekeepers wages 50,000. Then factory rent 2,50,000. Then repairs on factory plant 1,75,000, then consumable stores 1,25,000, then oil and water 25,000, then foreman's salary 1,25,000, then factory lighting 75,000, then depreciation on factory plant 25,000. $18, $15, $20, $25, $30, $35. 5, 10, 15, 22, 24, 26, 28, 35, 37. Again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8,75,000. When you add 8,75,000 to 65 lakh, you will be getting 73,75,000. This is called as work cost or factory cost. Then we have to add office overhead. All the expenses related to office should bring here. So office rent, $1,25,000. After that, repairs to office building 25,000. Then director fees 62,500. Then telephone rent, this telephone charges 6,250. Then office lighting office lighting is 25,000. Then depreciation on office building is 62,500. Then manager's salary $2,50,000. Office stationery 25,000. Postage 12,500. When you add, you will be getting office overhead 5, 7, 12, 17. 10, 13, 19, 24, 25, 26, 26, 31, 33, 5, 7, 13, 14, 15, 21, 26, 27, 28, 29, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5,93,750. When you add 5,93,750 to 73,75,000, you will be getting cost of production. For 79,68,750. This is cost of production. To this we have to add selling overhead, selling and distribution overhead. Here is salesman salary 62,500. Then advertising also 62,500. Then traveling expenses 25,000. Then warehouse rent 25,000. Then add, you will be getting selling overhead 10, 15, 6, 12, 13, 15, 17. 1,75,000 is selling and distribution overhead. When you add 1,75,000 to 79,68,750, you will be getting cost of sale. $81,43,750. This is called as cost of sales. And in the question, sale is given $94,75,000. Now the difference between sale and cost of sale is called as profit. So 13,31,250 is profit. Now write the answer separately. Prime cost 65 lakh. Work cost 73,75,000. Then cost of production 79,68,750. At last profit is cost of sale 81,43,750, and profit for this question is 13,31,250. This is the answer for this question. It is important part C problem from the semester examination point of view. Thank you, all the very best.